Good morning, everyone. I'm Jack at Sioux Falls Dent Repair. We're just going to kind of check in with you and kind of show you what we are working on today. So right now we've got a 2013 Ford Ranger in here with a pretty good sized little dent in the driver's front door here. Let's go ahead and get this camera flipped around here for you. So we're actually working on that guy right there. So as you can see, it's running right there up into the body line there and whatnot. There you go. You can kind of see it a little bit better. We're actually going to throw our PDR light on it here as well. You can really see it. So prior to putting the PDR light on it, it's actually really difficult to see quite a bit of the other stuff that's on this. So as you can see, it's stretching from down below here all the way up into that upper body line there. It's got some deflection and stuff, as well as a couple other minor little dents and dings up in here that we're going to be working on as well. So that's kind of what we've got for the start of the morning here, actually. And then just kind of showing you some of the other things we are working on, actually, is I've got this is a little bit older vehicle here, actually. This is a Mercury Cougar hood that, as you can see, it's got some body work that was originally done on it. It got hit and re-damaged. Customer wanted to use basically no fillers on it, so they're actually having us perform paintless dent repair on it. Even though they're going to paint it, we're going to be able to not have to have them fill the whole hood with full of a bunch of body work and Bondo and all that kind of stuff. So one thing that we actually have to do that's a challenge with this kind of stuff, excuse me, is with this, without it having shiny paint on it, it's a lot more difficult to see. So how we go about seeing that is we actually put down like a clear tape. So that creates, so there's a dent here you can probably just barely see. You can see all this grind marks and stuff in it from the original repair. But after we put clear packing tape on it, it actually shines it up. So then we're actually able to see and push on it correctly. So we've got some pretty big damage here that we are going to be working on, but we're going to go ahead and get this out sometime. We've kind of got this hood for quite a while. The customer was in no kind of time frame rush or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and be able to spend a lot of time on it and work in between jobs and stuff with it. So another thing I wanted to touch on is this last week I was up at Dent Craft, Paintless Dent Repair shop up in Minneapolis, or Wayzata. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, not completely killing it. But I actually got hooked up with a tool from one of their techs up there, with Don, the owner of Dent. Oh, I'm losing signal. All right, well, hopefully I didn't lose too many people there. It's cutting out here. My signal's kind of weak in the shop here today. So basically what I'm working with today here is I got a new tool. This is called the AHA handle by Don Kavanaugh of Dent Craft. And this is actually available from Endeavor Dent Tools. And what this is it's actually a handle that we add onto our tool to create better leverage. So this is actually the handle itself, and this plate sandwiched in between the tools to increase the leverage that we have. So I don't have it actually hooked up to a tool yet, but I will this week. And I just wanted to kind of mention this, that this is going to be an awesome addition to our tool lineup here. It's going to give us additional power and leverage when working on big damage, to where we've got to actually use a twisting motion with a tool. Sometimes we need a little bit more leverage, and that tool is going to create it for us. So anyways, I've got another sweet car coming in a little bit later today. We're going to go ahead and we'll keep you posted on that vehicle showing up here a little bit later. But anyways, just wanted to check in with the morning here with all you guys. So appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.